Welcome to our industrial program hosted here in our plant in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. My name is Maria Tupchiska and I'm the plant manager. Join us in this sequence of webinars and find out how to achieve more sustainable results. If you want to have a first-hand experience, you are more than welcome to visit us in our Smart Factory.
Welcome to our Smart Factory and Innovation Hub tour of Schneider Electric. Today we are in our plant here in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. My name is Georgi Tronchev and I will be your host for today's webinar. Before we begin, we'll start with a few words about what is this webinar for and how it will be structured. Today's webinar itself, it will be separated in three sections. The first one, we will speak in general about the digitization and how you can take the steps to connect your business to today's environment. Second one is related to a specific topic. We will show you how a solution can be implemented in a sustainable manner to correspond to your individual needs. The third section, we will leave something like a 10 minutes of Q&A session where you can directly ask about solution that is interesting for you. Meanwhile, if you have questions during the presentation, feel free to paste them in a chat and we will answer them. As it is normal, when we say something about how we see the things in the future, we should speak about how it's now and how it was before. We will start with a few words about why we do these webinars. We do it because we want to share our knowledge, to help you, our customers and partners, to show that there is a solution out there that is developed using the best hardware and software to achieve sustainable results. Now, let's speak about some of the applications today. Well, many organizations might still be in denial about how digitization could impact their businesses or struggling to find the talent or knowledge to know how to adopt for their unique use cases. Several others are implementing changes today and preparing for a future where smart machines improve their businesses. Here are just a few of the applications that are possible. First, to identify the opportunities. Since connected machines collect tremendous volume of data that can inform maintenance, performance and other issues, as well as analyze that data to identify patterns and insights that would be impossible for a human to do in a reasonable time frame. Digitization offers the opportunity for manufacturers to optimize their operations quickly and efficiently by knowing what needs attention. Optimize logistic and supply chains. A connected supply chain can adjust and accommodate when a new information is presented. If a weather delay ties up a shipment, a connected system can proactively adjust to that reality and modify manufacturing priorities. Autonomous equipment and vehicles. They're quite familiar. There are shipping yards that are leveraging autonomous cranes and trucks to streamline operation as they accept shipping containers from the ship. We have the example here in our factory as well. We use autonomous robots to optimize our logistic operations. If we have to say something about the robots, once only possible for large enterprises with equally large budgets, robotics are now more affordable and available to organizations of every size. From picking products at warehouse to getting them ready to ship, autonomous robots can quickly and safely support manufacturers. Robots move goods around automated warehouse and also reduce costs and allow their use of floor space for online retailer. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing, for example. This technology has improved tremendously in the last decade and has progressed from primarily being used for prototyping to actual production. Advantages in this use of metal additive manufacturing have opened up a lot of possibilities for production. And now, one of the most interesting stuff, the Internet of Things and cloud. Key component of digitization is the Internet of Things. That is characterizes as connected devices. Not only does this help internal operations, but through the use of the cloud environment where that data is stored. Equipment and operations can be optimized by leveraging the insights of the others using the same equipment or to allow smaller enterprises to access technologies that they wouldn't be able to do it on their own. Well, industry is still evolving and we might not have the complete picture until we have looked back in 30 years. Now the companies who are adopting the technologies realize the potential on making their operations smart. The same companies are also grappling with how to upskill their current workforce to take on the new work responsibilities made possible by Internet 4.0 and to recruit new employees with the right skills. All those possibilities are in our EcoStruxure platform, and there is a path which Schneider Electric is sharing with all customers and partners. In 3 simple but very important steps, you can get the most of your assets and from your business. The most important thing today is information, and Schneider is giving you the opportunity to have the full information about your business, about the possibilities that lies in front of you. EcoStruxure leverages the following technologies and trends: mobility, cloud, sensing, analytics, and cybersecurity. To have all that connectivity, of course, we must have smart devices, and they must be easy to install and maintain. Everything must follow certain standards so it can be more understandable. Mobility. Everything must be mobile. That means everything must be accessible on a mobile device like phone or tablet. The best way is to have something web-based so it can be open without any additional application. Another thing is cloud. It's good if everything can be connected to the cloud. You have everything in one place, but usually this is somebody else's computer and we must pay for that service. In that case, Schneider have the solution for preparing the data before sending it to the cloud. The sensing part is one of the reasons the cloud is overloaded. The solution in this case is first the data from sensors to be analyzed and some decision to be made. Not to directly send the data from the sensors, first to go through some analytics. And yes, Schneider have the solution for that as well. The analytics, it's a summary from your input data, graph that is leading to informed decision to give as much as possible information. The calculation of data should be done on the edge layer. Having the data from field devices and analytics in the cloud, we can compare between similar devices from all over the world. This way, forecasting for some events can apply and help the customers for better management of their assets. Speaking about digitization and innovation, it's time to walk you through our EcoStruxure platform. Schneider's EcoStruxure has 3 levels or layers. It's connected products, edge control, and apps, analytics and services that can be hosted on cloud or on premises. The best connected products are in that range, a clear platform facilitating local and real-time control. A suite of software, analytics and apps enabling the control and collection of data for analysis. It's IoT enabled, plug and play, and open interoperable architecture which allows us to innovate at every level. These levels are completely integrated from shop floor to the top floor, and we have cloud offers and end-to-end cybersecurity wrapped around. At Schneider Electric, we continue augmenting our capacity to deliver more by augmenting our core values, from reactive to preventive and predictive, from single-site to multi-site control, from closed system to collaborative systems, from data in system to in cloud, and from monitoring to some of expanded capabilities in scheduling, planning, simulating, and managing assets, and of course operation as well. Digitization powered by EcoStruxure is driving end-to-end efficiency for industrial environment. What is agile management? It brings control to the enterprise level. Why we care about process efficiency? Of course, we want to have a better closed-loop measurement and control for greater throughput and faster processing. Asset performance management. Why we need to monitor that? Of course, we want to optimize our assets and to improve the profitability. Why we empower our operators to allow them to take more effective decisions on a factory floor. Why we're aiming again for reliability, ensuring that the plant, the process and the asset uptime. Energy efficiency, everybody is talking about that. Through our systems, by our system actually, we have the visibility, control and the optimization of the power consumption and costs. Digitization is driving end-to-end efficiency throughout the entire value chain and transforming business models. EcoStruxure is empowering this transformation. And today we'll give you an overview of some of Schneider technologies that are helping this transformation and as well used in our plant. Our innovation hub here in Plovdiv is offering you to experience all the technology that follows in first hand. You are more than welcome to visit us. We are open and we are sharing the knowledge with you. But a bit more about that later in this webinar. If we must split as topics that are applicable each and every time, that is there, and they're repeating: management of process, maintaining of asset and processes, building management. Why do I say building? Because everything must be located somewhere, and this somewhere is the building itself, and optimization of the resources that we are using. Each and every business share common pillars. We have buildings, we have processes, we use electricity and other resources, and we all generate data. Now it's time to make the data work for us, and our company provides the solutions to that. Today's topic will be process management in industrial environment, or in other words, I will introduce you to our plant domain. So let's move to it. That will be the second part of our webinar. When we speak about managing processes, we must keep in mind always flexibility opportunities of a specific solution, the efficiency, and to follow the best-in-class practices for improvement. That is combined in our LDS system. The LDS is a software that improves discrete manufacturing productivity through a set of ready-to-use digital tools for lean management and to replace time-consuming paperwork for work management and data collection. As a manufacturer, we seek to increase our operational efficiency and flexibility, and by moving to this system, it helps us to continuously improve our, as I said, operational efficiency by measuring, visualizing and analyzing our manufacturing performance with proven lean management practices and KPIs for both manual and automated production lines. Empower our production teams to quickly respond to production issues and reduce production losses with near real-time visibility into production events and KPIs on dashboards and mobile devices. We are reducing as well human error and replace paper prints with centralized and orchestrated access to work order information and always up-to-date digital work instructions. Let's go through the overview of work management tools and speak about how it can help you to improve your performances. First one is performance management. It captures labor and equipment effectiveness KPIs and loss reasons for dashboard visualization, reporting and root cause analysis. The unknown system, it's a production issue notification and dashboard visualization to prevent or reduce production losses through effective response and team collaboration. Other module is work order management. This is a digital and centralized production work order management and allocation to production lines for execution, reporting and tracking. The other tool is digital work instructions. It's a paperless step-by-step work instructions, documents and videos in a product context. The material handling process is material event notifications and response management through step-by-step process execution and data collection for material handling optimization. The LDS provides a set of digital tools to help you quickly adopt proven industry standard lean practices to reduce production losses and to continuously improve your discrete production line effectiveness. The ready-to-use digital lean tools allow manufacturers to become lean practitioners by adopting practices such as Andon, Jidoka, Kaizen, KPI, SMUDA, OE, root cause analysis, and standardized work and visual factory without being lean experts. It responds faster to production issues through notifications to production stakeholders and with the time visibility on dashboards, workstations, and mobile devices for collaboration and effective response to different issue scenarios. It empowers the workforce to eliminate waste and reduce the cost through visibility of line performance and production issues on dashboards and workstations. Continuously improves your operational effectiveness by measuring key performance indicators for both manual and automated production lines and perform root cause analysis by correlating plant events. It quickly adopts lean practices and lower change management efforts with ease-to-use tool by keeping workers free from manual data collection tasks through integration with plant automation systems or IoT-enabled devices. The system also helps you replace decentralized paper records with orchestrate access to work order management, work instructions, and digital user interface for reporting work order execution. You can improve your manufacturing flexibility with reducing the risk of human errors through digital transformation of work management and work instruction. It helps your teams to do the job right from the first time and prevent production errors from happening with easy to follow digital work instructions. It optimizes resources and equipment utilization by dispatching work orders to production lines based on the available capacity and the best line performance based on the overall equipment efficiency or overall labor effectiveness for the specific products. Now let's talk about some of the key features of the software. The first one is Andon. It's a production issue notification. Andon is a lean management method of visually indicating or notifying you of a production problems so that other production teams members are informed and stakeholders are called for help to prevent or reduce downtime and production loss on a production machine, production line, or entire supply chain. The Andon module allows you to configure Andon categories and related issues within each Andon category as needed. Andon issues can be defined for all levels of the plant, down to individual issues to be raised for a specific line or for an individual workstation only. The software provides an intuitive user interface to raise, acknowledge, and normalize production issues. The issues can be also automatically raised based on control and automation system communication. A production issue can be escalated based on rule through email notification or by sending a signal to an automation system. The Andon dashboards provide a display of the problem locations where one or more issues were triggered or how many issues are active or acknowledged. The history logs and data export is provided for analyze in standard applications such as Microsoft Excel. Performance management. In this module, you can continuously improve your operational efficiency through KPI or OE monitoring and root cause analysis of production losses by capturing utilization and production data on production lines and workstations. On manual production lines, shift operators report good production and quality losses. On automatic lines, production data collection can be automated with many native TCP protocols or OPC UA drivers for integration with equipment control systems or IoT devices. For categorization of downtimes and quality defects, a reason entry interface is included. The waterfall dashboards evaluates and analyze performance by location. Either it's going to be plant, area, and line level. The interval can be hour, day, or month, and product with a dashboards with different KPIs, including overall equipment efficiency, taking the equipment capacity into account, or overall labor effectiveness, taking the number of operators working at a line into account. In terms of quality, the manufacturing defect rates, barriers, downtime, and quality issues, as we know it as a Pareto chart. In maintenance, the mean time between failures and mean time between repair. All that is being considered. The other module is work order management. Work order allocation allows you to dispatch orders automatically to lines, optimize the overall plant performance, and minimize changeover within the same shift by allocating work orders based on the capacity and the best line performance for the specified product. The work order execution provides you with ready-to-use user interface to execute work orders on a line and report production. The system captures and provides an audit trail of all work order events such as released, started, running, on hold, closed, allocation changed, and etc. The ERP integration, you can receive orders, release to production, and configure them upon closure based on file-based data exchange with ERP or other business applications. The other module is work instructions. Work instructions are dispatched to operators to guide them through their work tasks with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions for a specific product. The sequence of work activities steps can be individually defined for each line, workstation, and product reference relationship. Each work activity step can be associated with a specific work instruction document or media file. For example, it's going to be a PDF or MP4 videos. The digital document and instruction media files can be hosted in a central repository for effective instruction change and lifecycle management. Another part of LDS is the material handling process. The material handling process module provides a material handling request notification, process execution, and reporting system which helps to ensure uninterrupted production flow and continuously improve the material handling process. It enables fast response to material handling requests and allows for the standardization of processes such as component to top up, moving finished good, or clearing the waste bin. Processes are configured as a sequence of steps which ensures that identified best practices are followed and required data is collected. The material process handling module allows you to configure material events categories, number of process steps for each event category, and the details of the steps such as the activity to be performed. The data to be collected or the input can be provided during the material handling process execution. Material events can be defined for all levels of the plant hierarchy down to the individual events for a specific line. The software provides an individual user interface to manually raise material events and execute the handling process in response. Material events can be additionally automatically raised based on communication with control and automation systems. The material process handling dashboard provides the event count information for a selected period and the related average step, execution duration, or lead time, allowing you to identify material process handling opportunities. Material event history logs and data export are provided for analysis in standard applications such as Microsoft Excel. The localization, the graphical interface and messages are available in English. Additional user interface translations can be added by uploading a CSV file. Interoperability, you can integrate with external equipment and system via standard interfaces such as OPC or SQL. In addition to native drivers for industrial TCP/IP protocols for a connectivity with email servers, RFID card readers, PLC and automation devices, and also barcode readers. EcoStruxure Plant Advisor is our cloud-based IoT environment to support your digitization transformation. It provides access to data across complex multi-vendor systems in one environment while enabling you to extract value, build advanced analytics, and speed up IoT deployment across multiple sites. It enables you to collect, contextualize, and aggregate your operational data while managing your assets and application lifecycles all within the same industrial data model. It provides end-to-end capabilities such as connection and access, contextualize and aggregate operational data from different systems and sources within the same industrial data hub. Also, monitoring cross-domain operational data, giving you a plant staff customized KPIs and analytics with actionable real-time insights. It also optimizes plant efficiency by empowering staff with information needed to improve operation, as well as through seamless deployment of tailor-made applications across multiple sites. Our specialized pre-packed segment and domain analytics will address your industry-specific requirements. At the factory level, managers are entrusted with reducing operational costs while optimizing the performance of their assets. Aging infrastructure must be upgraded or replaced with limited capital budgets. As veteran employees leave the company, the retention for industrial knowledge becomes a critical issue, and the demand of the next generation workforce around digitization, information accessibility and mobility and quality of life must be fulfilled to maintain and improve productivity. Adapting to this rapidly evolving environment requires new approaches to data collection, management, and analytic technologies. Imagine a scenario where all the data you need across multiple systems and sites are available in standard format in a single environment, enabling IT-OT integration. The data is aggregated, analyzed, and presented through dashboards, insight, and alerts, tailored to specific managers across multiple systems and sites. Like, for example, the general manager at a packaged good plants receives productivity, product traceability, and value chain information. The maintenance manager views asset reliability status and service requirements. The operations manager sees waste, line stoppages, and production KPIs. So how it works? It's leveraging standard industrial protocols. EcoStruxure Plant Advisor makes it easy to collect IT/OT data from virtually any connected plant device or system. Its Plant Data Expert module comes with an extensive library of protocols for almost all automation and IT suppliers. The solution stores and processes the data, monitors and visualizes KPIs and metrics in dashboards, and incorporates collaboration tools and business logic visualization to provide actionable insights. The platform is based on 4 major concepts that work across the industrial lifecycle to amplify business value. First one is Connect. It accesses and collects and harmonizes operational data from edge to cloud within one industrial data model. Second one is Monitor. Its flexible dashboards are customized for real-time monitoring of KPIs and analytics. The third one is to Optimize. This is built-in custom applications in low-code or no-code environment or leveraging pre-built industrial IoT applications. The solution draws on centralized access to production data to meet specific business needs. And the last one is Specialize. It's a pre-packaged application modules address industry-specific challenges like customer packaged goods, mining, or manufacturing. The next topic in our presentation is Aviva Insight. Until now, we have spoken about how to manage processes within the plant, how to manage multiple plants, but one more link is missing, and that is outsourced equipment or so-called remote monitoring of assets. Here comes again a solution of Aviva, and it's called Aviva Insight. Aviva Insight simplifies the complex. It combines leading operations management and asset performance technologies into one easy-to-use, cloud-based solution, enabling your teams to collaboratively manage your operations and assets from anywhere at any time. Also, it gives us four main benefits: unlocking critical data, it accesses contextualized data from multiple sources in a single cloud environment to gain operational insights anywhere and in any time. Improved asset reliability, it's gaining asset performance insight and respond to anomalies earlier with artificial intelligence and powerful analytics. It increases also collaboration. It empowers the connected worker and breaks down silos with a single source of truth and customized alert for better and faster decisions. Drive operational performance. It fully understands your operations with a digital twin that combines corporate and operational KPIs to discover efficiency gains. The software can be also linked with AI and machine learning. It optimizes operation at scale by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the cloud. This range of fit-for-purpose algorithms combined with prescriptive actions enables users to institutionalize analytics as closed loops within their business processes. Aviva Insight combines real-time and historical information with AI and machine learning-driven predictions to minimize downtime, to improve quality, energy efficiency, and calculate remaining asset life. It utilizes proven use cases and experience to address common operational challenges more quickly and easily than you possibly think. Ranging from self-service analytics with no programming requirement up to more comprehensive analytics for in-depth analysis of critical assets and processes. Aviva Insight empowers you to take advantage of prescriptive actions, artificial intelligence, and machine learning at a scale. You can address common operational challenges with Aviva Insight's growing range of AI and machine learning capabilities, such as reduced downtime. You can predict uptime and detect failure days, weeks, or even months before they occur. Minimize production losses and realize higher production through output to meet dynamic market demands. The other possibility is to eliminate costly production rejects and predict quality issues. You can enable operators to adjust the production settings at the right time to realize consistent quality and avoid waste. You can improve availability by minimizing downtime due to unnecessary cleaning cycles by predicting the optimal time frame for cleaning or doing periodic maintenance of an asset. You can also optimize through output by identifying optimal process condition for a plant, unit, or area and track current condition versus targets. You can gain alert notification if production through output is slipping. You have as well predictable asset life. You can forecast remaining asset life and influence operations and maintenance cost and life cycle management. Make confident CapEx decisions with the data-driven analytics. You also have one of the most important topics, it's energy efficiency. You can reduce your carbon footprint and facilitate the insight for better energy use. Tightly monitor energy use to expose hidden costs. Aviva Insight also enables IP developed by trusted third parties and subject matter experts to be seamlessly integrated to create a holistic AI solution for our customers. Thank you for being part of our digital journey. If you want to get the most of your assets and make your processes sustainable, join us on our next sessions. Now it's time for questions and answers, so feel free to type them in the chat or unmute yourself. I'll be here in the next 10 minutes to answer them.